The Shiba Inu chart's looking like it's preparing for a big move to the upside, higher time frame. It's got its big base, it's got its big space, and here's what I'm looking for next. And we're going to get straight into it. This is going to be a full deep down analysis on Shiba, and we're going to do this together. So I've marked the chart out. We've got our resistance levels built in. The first thing that you can see, higher time frame, we're macro, we're on the 3-day chart. And what you can see on this chart is we've got one level of support. That's it. The rest is resistance. And that tells us that we've just got upside. And that helps us allow to apply the appropriate risk management, because this is your downside. This is your downside. This is your upside. This is your upside. So we know that as far as risk management is concerned, we know don't put all our eggs in one basket. But if you are allocating into Shiba, you haven't got much downside in comparison to upside. So what do we want to happen in the short term? You can see first and foremost, we're on the 3-day chart. This is higher time frame, and this is the 200 3-day moving average. That's going to carry so much weight behind it. And once we manage to close above this, this is giving a huge signal that the bulls have regained momentum. We can go test this level and then start making our way up at higher levels. So that's one thing that I'm looking for, and that's one thing that you can keep an eye on your chart is the 200 3-day moving average. The next thing that I want to show you is a fixed range volume profile. Out of all of this price action, where is the sticking point? Where is the mean? Where is price reversed to time and time again? And we can use that. We could test that by using a fixed range volume indicator. So that's from the top to where current price action sits and including the bear market bottom. And then you get this line here. So what we're going to do is we're going to add this line to our chart. And that is going to be the main sticking point. And that's going to give us another angle of confluence. If price action closes above the 200 moving average, and if price action closes above this mean, then the bulls have got control. The bulls have regained momentum. Because look how long this price has been choppy. It's been sideways for like 2 years nearly. Once we break and close above this, then the choppiness stops and we can start making higher lows and higher highs. Right, the next thing. If we do make a move to the upside, a surge to the upside before the start of the official next bull market, how far is price likely to move to the upside? Fibonacci retracement, we say it all the time, from its bull market high to its bear market low. Where's the 38.2? Is there any confluence? There's the 38.2. Sitting at 0.000366629. Is there any confluence? Look at that. Look at how these things play out exactly with our resistance band. Why is this our resistance band? Because this is where price action was rejected before we made a new lower low, and then we come back and made a lower high. So that's been rejected. That's got to act as resistance. That wick, the 3-day wick, tells us where that resistance level should be. And then we've got the 382 as confirmation. So basically, in the short term, we've got a little bit of price action to close above. And that's sitting at the 10122 level. If price closes above that level, and if price closes above the 200 3-day moving average, then bulls have regained momentum. We can start regaining higher levels, and I'll start covering Shiba Inu a lot more in future videos. So if you did like this, don't forget, hit me in the comments, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to watch my altcoin analysis playlist. I'll leave that at the end. Goodbye from me.